Hello everyone, in my hands right now is a OnePlus smartphone running OxygenOS 16. On OxygenOS 16, there's a feature called Flux Theme that allows you to beautifully customize the lock screen interface. Next, here, I have a Xiaomi device running HyperOS, and I'm able to install this Flux Theme feature on my Xiaomi phone. The animations are even smoother on my Xiaomi device, and I also get 3D motion effects. The 3D effects also appear on the home screen, and my Xiaomi device is running HyperOS 3. The theme I'm sharing in this video also comes with a very beautiful icon pack. In this video, let's install and customize the Flux theme from OxygenOS 16 on Xiaomi devices together. To customize the theme, tap on the white bar outside the lock screen. In the Wallpaper Customization section, you can add your own wallpaper to create a personalized depth effect. There are multiple clock styles you can switch between on the lock screen to fully experience the Flux theme interface. First, we need to install the theme. This is the theme name on the Chinese theme store. For global Xiaomi devices, you can use the backup file provided in my video description to install it. After installing and applying the theme, this is how the lock screen will look the first time. By default, the lock screen comes with depth effects, a 3D wallpaper, and liquid glass effects. This is the toggle to darken the background wallpaper. Next, this toggle lets you enable the depth effect for the entire wallpaper or just half of it. And this is the toggle for wallpaper zoom and depth effects. The remaining toggle is used to turn the 3D wallpaper effect on or off. The options above allow you to change the clock style. To apply your own custom wallpaper, go to the wallpaper settings. Below are the default wallpapers, which require a few days of usage to unlock all of them. This is where you can enable and apply your own personal wallpaper. Now, I'll show you again how to add your own image as the wallpaper for this theme. To enable the depth effect, you need two images, the original photo and a version with the subject cut out. Now, use this image, and I need to remove the background from it. To do this, I use the Photoroom app, which you can install from the Play Store. I'll import the image into the Photoroom app and remove the background. Next, I'll save the background removed image to my phone's gallery. Make sure to save it in a transparent format. One important note for the depth effect to work properly is to pay attention to the resolution of both images. The resolution of the cutout image must match the resolution of the original image. Once you have the background removed image with the same resolution as the original, open the Themes app and go to Theme Customization. Select the lock style and start customizing the theme. This is where we will import the wallpapers. The top section is for the original image. In the lower section, we'll import the background removed image. On the lock screen, we'll enable the personalized custom wallpaper. This is where you enable the custom wallpaper. You can choose the clock style based on the wallpaper to achieve a matching interface. You can freely change the clock color to match your preference. The remaining options are for date and clock widgets. Try to choose the ones with as little Chinese text as possible. Depending on the wallpaper, you can turn the 3D wallpaper effect on or off. Wallpaper zoom effect. To change to a different wallpaper, simply repeat the same steps as before. First is the original wallpaper, followed by the background removed image. and enable the custom wallpaper at this position. Adjust the clock color to match the main colors of the wallpaper. This theme features very smooth animations. Depending on the wallpaper, you can choose to enable or disable both the 3D effect and the depth effect. Personally, I think this is a very beautiful theme, with customization options similar to the Flux theme on OxygenOS-style. You can use the backup file in the video description to install this theme on Xiaomi Global devices. If you're not sure how to do it, check the tutorial video in the description.